Ano nga ba ang radon? Ang radon ay isang natural na radioactive na gas na nanggagaling sa lupa. Hindi mo ito nakikita, naaamoy o nalalasahan. Nabubuo ito kapag nagde-degenerate o nabubulok ang uranium sa lupa at bato. Kapag naiipon ito sa loob ng bahay at nalalanghap ng matagal, pwede itong magdulot ng lung cancer. Pwede itong pumasok sa bahay sa pamamagitan ng bitak sa sahig, pader, foundation o kahit sa tubig. At dahil malamig sa Canada, laging sarado ang bahay lalo na sa winter. Kaya mas madaling maipon ang radon sa loob, lalo na sa basement. Maraming lugar sa Canada ang may mataas na radon level, kabilang ang Manitoba, Saskatchewan, New Brunswick, at ilang parte ng Alberta at British Columbia.
My whole family was shocked. I was shocked. I don't tick any of the boxes, as they say, for someone who would have lung cancer, and I've never smoked or anything like that.
I was sitting in the office with Carrie, and the oncologist went over that she had checked all of the markers, and it came back as inconclusive that the only explanation for her lung cancer was radon.
Siya si Carrie Mosing, isang cancer survivor. May malusog na pangangatawan, ngunit sa kabila ng lahat ng iyon, tinamaan siya ng sakit na hindi niya akalaing darating sa buhay niya, ang lung cancer. Guys, papunta tayo ngayon sa library dito sa lugar namin, kung saan pwede daw manghirap ng radon test kit. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako. Tingnan natin kung gaano katotoo itong radon chemicals na to na maaaring makaapekto sa lungs ng kahit sino na tumitira sa basement. Nipawa Library. Do you have any idea about the radon?
Yep, we got the radon.
Yeah, because a friend of mine told me that I can borrow. How serious is this radon radioactive?
We live in an area like this area here. It's something that matters more. It depends on where you live.
Because I know a lot of friends who's living in the basement.
Because the basement is usually where the trickier spot. So this is a super like basic tester. And it'll tell you in here like what numbers, like what range is what, and I would test it probably in the main part of the house, but then yeah, if you have a basement, test it in the basement as well.
Yes. Is it dangerous?
I think it can be impactful depending on the levels.
Yeah.
So if it's something that you have like a high level of, that's where you need to be more concerned. Whereas if it's in that lower range, it's not as pressing. That just has the due date on it. You get 2 weeks.
Guys, nakakuha na tayo ng radon test kit kung saan makikita natin, malalaman natin kung gaano kalala ang radioactive sa mga basement na pwedeng maging dahilan ng lung cancer dito sa Canada. Buksan nga natin kung ano itong radon test kit na to. May battery, parang cellphone.